how do we save money while we're filling our garden bed up? Wait, what's that? I think it's going to go this way. Oh, no. Wait, wait. Oh, I get it. The Hügelkultur.
Hi, I'm Valerie.
And I'm Rayanne.
And we're here with
Now Gardening.
Today we're here to talk about how to fill your garden bed in a way that will not only save you money, but will also be good for the vegetables that you're growing. For those of you who don't know yet, the Hügelkultur method is a way of filling your raised garden beds in a way that uses organic material and debris that you have around the home and will actually biodegrade later in the soil and enrich it over time. This allows you to save money by using logs and branches and grass and leaves, other things that you have around your house, and while using less of the soil that we have to pay for. Here's the galvanized steel raised garden bed that we just put together. As you can see, it's empty right now. Well, this would take a lot of garden soil. The first step in the Hügelkultur method is to start layering organic material in the bottom. So as you see, we're going to fill this up with some sticks and some grass clippings and things like that. And until it gets up to about the last 12 inches or so, or about 25 or so centimeters. And from there up, we'll fill it with organic garden soil. So now I think we've got it high enough at this point, and the next step is going to be to put in our organic soil. So that's it. This raised bed is ready for planting. Whew, it's hot out there, huh?
It was so hot.
Well, we're in the shade now. Our day is done. We hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, please click the like button down below.
And if you would like to follow us and see our newest videos, click subscribe down below and click that notification bell just so you're the first one to know when a new video comes out. Thank you. Bye.